What if I told you your biggest enemy in trading isn't the market, it's a blind faith? Every day, thousands of traders place bet hoping for profit. But let me be blunt, hope is not a strategy. Faith won't make you money, evidence will. And today, I'll show you why traders who trade with evidence keep on winning, while those who trade on faith keep on hoping. In the trading world, there are two types of people: faith-based, evidence-based. Faith-based traders, they believe in trends, market tips, rumors without proof. While the evidence-based traders, they demand data, probabilities, and a measurable edge before they trade. So let me ask you, which one you want to be? Think about cricket for a second. Imagine a bowler just running up and throwing a ball randomly and hoping for a wicket. That's your faith-based trader. But someone like Jasprit Bumrah, he doesn't guess. He studies the batsman, analyzes the pitch condition, and plans his attack. That's evidence-based decision making. And that's exactly how smart traders operate. Let me give you a powerful example. Casinos never lose money over the time. Why? Because they don't rely on faith, they rely on math. They know their odds, their edge, their system. Now, you must be thinking, but Prakash, I have made money just by following my gut. Sure, you might have won few trades like that. Just like in Chak De India movie, where the girls team won the hockey matches with raw talent. But to win the World Cup, they needed strategy, discipline, and planning. Faith might win you few battles, but only evidence will win you war. Here is how you can move from faith to evidence. Step number 1. Question everything. Never assume a strategy will just work because someone on YouTube said it so, even if it is me. Step number 2. Demand data. What is the win rate? What's the risk reward? Step number 3. Understand the why. A real edge is measurable, consistent, and explainable. Let's break it down with a real world example. Faith trader will say, this chart pattern looks familiar, buy it. Whereas the evidence trader will say, what is the win rate of this setup? What is the drawdown? Where is the edge? See the difference? One is guessing, while the other is trading like a professional. So moving from a faith-based trader to evidence-based trader is like upgrading from a basic calculator to a supercomputer. You start spotting opportunities others miss. You avoid risk the others walk into blindly. You stop gambling and start trading. Yes, it takes effort. But let me ask you, what's harder? Learning a real data-backed strategy or losing your hard-earned capital over and over again? The choice is yours. Either continue gambling based on faith and gut feeling, or join the top 10% trader who trade with data, evidence, and edge. As we say in cricket, form is temporary and the class is permanent. Evidence-based trading is your path to become permanent in this market. Alright, it's time to test what we have learned. Here are the 5 questions. Question number 1. What is the biggest mistake many traders make? Is it option A, not watching news before trading? Or is it option B, relying on faith instead of evidence? Or is it option C, trading with too much capital? Option D, using too many indicators? And the answer is option B, relying on faith instead of evidence. Question number 2. What is the key difference between a faith trader and an evidence trader? Option A, faith trader believe without proof. Evidence trader demand data. Option B, faith trader make more money. Option C, evidence trader always predict the market. Option D, faith trader never lose. The answer is option A, faith trader believe without proof. Evidence trader demand data. Here comes question number 3. How is trading similar to cricket? Option A, both require blind faith to succeed. Option B, a bowler, like a trader, needs to plan and analyze. Option C, winning in both is about luck. Option D, both require guessing. The answer is option B, a bowler, like a trader, needs to plan and analyze. Question number 4. Why do casinos consistently make money? Option A, because they operate on a mathematical certainty, not faith. Option B, because they rely on luck. Option C, because people enjoy gambling. Option D, because they use hidden tricks. The answer is option A, because they operate on a mathematical certainty, not faith. Question number 5. What is the first step in becoming an evidence-based trader? Option A, trust your gut. Option B, follow patterns blindly. Option C, question every strategy and demand data. Option D, trade based on rumors. The answer is, that's correct, it's option C, question every strategy and demand data. Drop your quiz score in the comments below. I'll personally read them and guide you forward. Let's level up together. If this helped you, share it with a friend who's still stuck in a faith trader mindset. Let's bring more and more people in the world of smart, evidence-based trading. In the next video, I'll show you why options are better than stock. Until then, keep learning, keep winning.